Welcome to this short practice called a Presumé, a gentle looking back. Try listening once a day for a week so the words settle into your heart. After that, return to it when you begin to prepare for Shabbat, or any time you'd like a soft reminder and encouragement. Take a moment now to settle in. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in. Exhale gently. Let your shoulders drop. Let your face soften. Now imagine yourself on Friday evening. The candles are lit. Shabbat has arrived. You are here. Now gently, without judgment, look back over your Shabbat preparations. Notice how the hours unfolded. Notice what was finished. Notice what was left undone. And now remember when the Yetzer Hara whispered, just one more thing. It tried to push you past the boundary. It tried to keep you rushing. When that happened, you recognized who was whispering and you let it go. Gently remind yourself, I am enough. I have done enough. What is unfinished can be released. Let yourself see the quiet victories, the acts of kindness, the small touches of beauty, the effort you gave with love. Hashem does not ask for perfection. He asks only for presence. Now, gather up the loose ends of your week, every list, every task, every corner not yet tended to, all the to-dos, all the undone, all the worries that still press on your heart. Hold them for just a moment, and then place them gently into Hashem's hands. Trust that He is holding them. Trust that He is carrying them. Trust that you no longer need to. Breathe. Feel the weight slip from your shoulders. You are free to enter Shabbat. Take another slow, deep breath. Feel the warmth of the Shabbat candles. Feel how the light rests on your face. You have stepped into sacred time. You are Hashem's precious daughter. He loves you more than you can ever imagine, and you are beyond enough. When you are ready, bring your awareness back. Open your eyes softly. Bat your eyelashes. Carry this calm into your day, into your week. Whisper quietly, no matter what day it is right now, Shabbat Shalom.